Today in this video, we are going to see how we can download the PostgreSQL server in Mac operating system. So let's get started. So to download the PostgreSQL in your MacBook, we will first open any browser. It can be Chrome browser or Safari or whatever you like. So for this video, I'll open Chrome browser and here I will search PostgreSQL. So you can see the first website, that is www.postgresql.org. So you can click on this link and now we can see there are two options here. First one is download and second one is new to PostgreSQL. So if you are new to PostgreSQL, you can click on this link and then you can see what is the latest feature that has been released in this PostgreSQL. So you'll find all the latest feature. But since we don't want this, we want to download the PostgreSQL in our MacBook, we will click on this download button. So once you click on this, you will find several options here. So these options are nothing but platforms, like if you want to download for Linux or macOS or Windows, BSD or Solaris. Since we want to download it on macOS, we will click on this macOS here. And here you can see the actual download link. Download the installer. And if you go down, you can see the Postgre version. So the latest version is 18. So we will click on this download link here. And now you can see the PostgreSQL version, the platform. Here you can see macOS and Windows. If you want to download for Mac, we will click here. If you want to download for Windows, you can click here. But since we want it for Mac, we will click on this icon because this is the latest version, 18.1. So we are clicking here and the download will start automatically. Save this and it's being downloaded. So once downloaded, we will open this file. Yeah, so we can see that it has been downloaded. So we can just open it. Double click on this and then you can see this icon here. Double click on this icon and then one pop-up will come here. So this is nothing but some tantrum of macOS that it does not allow directly the files download from the internet. So we'll just click on this checkbox and click on open, and then we need to enter a password. So this is our macOS password. It's opening. Now this setup wizard will come. Click on next here, and this is the default directory to which our installation happen. So we will leave it as it is. If you want to change, you can change it from here, but I don't want to change it. So I click on cancel here and then I click on next here. Here you need to select everything. So PostgreSQL server you need to select because this is the main SQL server. Then pgadmin4 you need to select, stack builder and command line tools. And pgadmin4 is the graphical user interface, that is GUI, in which we will write our SQL codes and commands. So after selecting all these, we'll click on next, and then we will leave this path as it is, that is the default path, and we will click on next. If you want to change it, you can change it, and then you need to give some password, but you have to remember this password. Then click on next, and this is the default port 5432. We will leave this as it is and then click on next. And this is locale, keep this as default. Okay, and then click on next. Again next. Setup is now ready to begin installing PostgreSQL on your computer. Then click on next. So let's wait for it to complete. It will take few minutes. Yeah, this is done. But you need to unselect this checkbox, because if you select this checkbox and click on next, then again you need to install the stack builder. But we don't want that. We will use it in future. So we will uncheck it, and then click on finish. Now let's search for pgadmin, that is our graphical user interface, and then open pgadmin 4. Since this is the first time, it may take 1 minute. Okay, now it has opened. So you can see the graphical user interface here. It's and if you see here, there is server. So this is the default server, and this is the default database. When you click on this database, you need to enter the password that you have that I told you to remember. So that password you have to enter here, and then click on save password so that it will remember in the future, and then click on OK. Yeah, so if you want to see, like, if you want to see a database, or if you want to create any tables, then you can just play around here. If you click here, you'll see the default database here. You can click your own database as well, that we'll learn in future videos. So default database is Postgre, and here you can see uh, all the other steps like triggers and schemas, everything. And this is the default schema, public. We will discuss all these in our future videos. Okay. Please like my video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of my upcoming videos.